overflows are an increasingly frequent problem in cities, which can be caused by network blockages as a result of the accumulation of sediment, grease, and wipes. Today's digital technologies can help network managers get ahead of potential problems and help ensure resources are applied to areas with the greatest need. Xylem Vue's Clog monitoring application enables utilities to anticipate blockages in the network and optimize cleaning planning and management. Using sensor information, historical data, and algorithms, the application provides an asset-level clogging risk assessment to determine the best locations for sensor placement. Based on its ability to integrate and interpret data, Clog monitoring can also locate where the potential block may be happening and predict the most likely locations of future clogging, allowing utilities to prioritize their cleaning and maintenance schedules to prevent clogging before it occurs. Clog monitoring utilizes this analysis to build a preventative maintenance program, even for non-sensored areas within the network, reducing the chance of clogging and overflows. The platform also provides operators and utility managers with maps and dashboards for comprehensive sewer cleaning management, as well as for monitoring operations and results. Clog monitoring enables utilities to move from a time-based cleaning strategy to a data-informed, risk-based approach to clogging. This reduces repeat overflow occurrences and helps utilities save on operational expenses in the field, enabling them to better serve their communities and the environment.